Hey, Bonham Bears, it's me, Miss Cochran. I am so excited to be here on this Friday with you. All right, we're going to finish reading A, B, C Fun. We've been talking about all the different letters and all the different sounds and all the different objects this week. Today we will sing an ABC letter sound song. So all of the letters in the alphabet have a sound. When I say C, C goes K. When I say A makes the A sound, and B makes the B sound. So we're going to sing this letter sound song together. We're going to do A is for, and then the object, and then we're going to say the sound that A makes. Want to sing it with me? All right. And then while you're doing this, I want you to also, can you go like this? Say, make connections. I want you to make some connections to a letter maybe you've seen around your house or seen around school, or the letter in your name or in one of your friends' name. Let's make those connections too so it can help you. Hey, I've seen that letter. I know they begin with that sound or that letter. All right. The alphabet goes from A to Z. Let's look at things that start with each letter. All right, you ready to get going? Okay. Let me move this. A is for apple, apple. B is for bear, bear. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. Can you sing along with me? E is for egg, egg. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. Ooh, I like that sound. I can feel my breath when I make that H sound. I is for iguana, iguana. J is for jar, jar. What letter is this? K is for kite, kite. L is for leaf, leaf. Ooh, I like that sound. Let me see your L's. Your tongue goes on the top of your teeth. Oh. M is for mouse, mouse. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for queen, queen. R is for ring, ring. S is for socks, socks. T is for turtle, turtle. What sound does T make? Good. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for window, window. X is for x-ray, x-ray. Y is for yarn, yarn. Z is for zebra, zebra. All the letters make a sound. Each one has a different sound. All right. Thank you for singing that with me. I hope you were able to make some connections to some letters today. Did you make any? Did you hear the beginning of your letter like k, Cochran was the same as a cat? Or maybe you heard p in your name or one of your friends' name. Maybe you heard a b like Bonham Bears. B and bottom have the same beginning sound. All right, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Tell me those connections you've made. I would love to hear them. Bye, y'all.